subscribers, you are here to watch my pasta pesto recipe. Watch this.
Hello there, welcome to my video. Creating recipes without animal foods, salt, oil or sugar, and very few processed foods. Eating a whole foods diet dramatically improves the health and well-being of humans, animals, and the environment. There are no downsides, only benefits. For more information about this blog and my work, click here. This video is all about pesto. But don't you need olive oil and cheese to make pesto? No way. These ingredients are traditional, but they can simply be omitted, resulting in sauce that is lighter and fresher tasting, but still has plenty of that famous basil and garlic punch. Pesto is thought to have two predecessors in ancient times. Going back as far as the Roman age, the ancient Romans used to eat a similar paste called marmitum, which was made by crushing garlic, salt, cheese, herbs, olive oil, and vinegar together. If pasta is starchy and sticky, then why not just add oil to the cooking water? Because the oil will actually coat the pasta and prevent your sauce for coating it properly. A lot of people think they need to add oil to their water when boiling pasta, but this could be doing more harm than good. Stir frying is advantageous over other methods of cooking as it requires very little oil, which is healthier than deep frying or pan frying. And it also retains the nutrients present in the food being stir-fried. Stir-frying is a very fast process and it requires very little time to prepare stir-fried dishes. Add the chopped mint leaves to have a good taste. Keep stirring on the ingredients, then add the cut onion leaves, then add another slice of butter to have a good smell. After all the ingredients, now our pesto sauce is ready to serve. In Accent, province of France, the pesto was prepared without using pine nuts, as no pine trees grow there to provide the nuts. Sometimes almonds are used instead of pine nuts, and mint leaves are mixed in with the basil leaves. Some have even used spinach or cilantro in place of basil. The interchangeable use of the nuts and green just depends on your taste. If you do not use right away, or there are leftovers, store in a jar with a layer of olive oil on top to prevent discoloration. And top jar with a tight lid and store in the refrigerator. Will store for 3 to 5 days. Pesto is no doubt one of the world's most loved sauces, next to the mayonnaise and the Mexican traditional salsa.
Thank you for watching my video and please don't forget to click subscribe.